Good.
Good.
Okay, this is my Orca, my Adventurer 5M printer, 3D printer that I bought. Okay, from Amazon. This is the screen. We have connected it to my ATT Vista Wi-Fi, as you can see. All right, it is connected to ATT Vista Wi-Fi. All right, my computer also is connected to ATT Vista. Okay, that's the taskbar settings. Okay, no, let me get Windows settings. Home. Okay. If I go to devices, printers, mouses, and so forth, it is nowhere in my devices, other devices. It doesn't show up anywhere. Okay, here's Bluetooth and other devices, all the devices. It does not show anywhere. Okay, if I go to my network, however, I also am connected to ATT Vista, the network right here. Okay, it's connected. So this is connected, the printer is connected, the Orca Flashforge app is loaded, and the device does not appear in the device list either. That is as far as I can get. So, and I go to network here, I get nothing. I click on local area network, I get nothing. This, nothing, there's nothing, no printer, etc. Other device, this has not been there before. What's this? Let's click this. Orca Flashforge info, log in first, okay. How do I log in? I don't see any place to log in. Okay. So maybe there's a login that I need to do. I don't know. Okay. That's as far as I can get. Now you can help me further, hopefully. Okay, and close it.